Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back for a new adventure. So today we're at the Marineau farm. It's located in Laval. It's a really cool place. They have few activities for children. I'm currently laying on the pumpkins. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and also thank you for watching. Wow! Chick.
Yo, it's so bad. Chicken.
Wow! So cool. The slide there. Okay.
Halloween.
Do you guys know how to play?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Go.
Alright, so let's play tic-tac-toe.
One
So
time.
we'll play together.
One time.
We'll play tic-tac-toe together.
Oh yeah.
See who's win. I think I'm gonna win.
No, I'm gonna win because I'm so good at this game.
Okay, let's see. Alright guys, so we're gonna play tic-tac-toe right now. So
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait.
You're too slow.
okay, I'll start.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Cheater.
Alright. So who's the X? Who's the X?
I'm the X.
Okay, I'm the
Okay,
circle.
you guys play.
Alright.
Need this. No. Okay, I need the
Now
X.
tic-tac-toe.
No.
Yeah, I won.
No, you just got lucky because you started the game. No, okay, let's do it again. Last one.
Yeah, this again.
I thought I was just thinking. What? No!
Yeah.
No, didn't.
Tic-tac-toe. Well. No. No. I'm just the winner.
It's because you started.
No.
Okay, what if I start?
I could have stopped it. You just don't know the trick.
I forgot the trick.
It's okay, it's okay. Let's see if I can lift this, because this is really like, it's look heavy. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Okay, this is the bowling game, guys. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. One, two, three.
Okay,
There.
that's my turn.
Come on. Oh.
Thank you. Another one?
Another one?
Okay, Jada, give me one. Give me one.
Missed it. Okay, she got one.
Yo!
She got 1 out of 3.
Watch me. Watch me. Watch me.
Okay, I got 2.
Alright. Like a school bus. I'm here. Careful. Uh-oh. Alright guys, this is it for today. It's a wrap. So thank you for watching. As always, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Peace.